lot quieter across the area this evening. You can actually see downtown Gatlinburg from the Sky Park area, and I don't see that there's any rain, at least heavy rain, falling in the region right now. There may be a little bit of some very light rain seen on radar anyway, but not nearly as noisy as it was earlier this evening, and going to stay that way overnight. I'll watch that line right there. That's ahead of a cold front that'll push through a little bit later tonight across the area, but even our risk for severe storms is done. The risk area has been dropped and mainly shifted over to the Carolinas overnight, where we had that level 2 risk earlier along the Tennessee-Kentucky border, but you can kind of pick out the cold front or just ahead of it there approaching the plateau. So we'll go from now at 11 o'clock right into tomorrow morning, and you'll kind of see that boundary continuing to slide through, which means by early tomorrow morning, the bulk of the steadier rainfall is just about out of our area right around the sunrise time frame. I certainly expect to be out of here by about 10 o'clock, so improving conditions rapidly as we go through the afternoon tomorrow. Still going to start a little muggy, upper 60s to near 70, Knoxville eastward, but already some mid-60s back across portions of the plateau as that drier air is moving in by 7 a.m. But it's going to take a little bit of time for the rest of us to see that. Stop here at lunchtime, doing a lot better. Comfortable air mass to the north and west. Still a little muggy to sticky for Knoxville southward. Then it rapidly improves by the afternoon, and one of those where you can roll down the windows on a Friday and enjoy the drive home. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s by the afternoon as well, and we'll have winds out of the northwest at about 10 miles per hour. So again, after about 9 or 10 a.m., we're going to be done with our rain opportunities. Let's pick it back up with tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. The cold front's well to our south. Dry air is in place. We'll hold on to that through the day Saturday, so it looks great. But as I've been saying, that system moves out, the high pressure does, and here comes the next one, bringing moisture back into the area. By the time we get to Father's Day afternoon, we can see a pop-up shower storm by then. A little more likely as we go overnight Sunday into Monday as that deeper moisture moves back into the area. And that could set the stage for some heavier rain. It's times as we go Sunday night into Monday. So here's where we are now, still in the sticky category, but better than tropical earlier today. We get close to that comfortable range on Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, we're back in the tropical zone as more moisture pours back into the area, and that's when our rain chances return. So really, again, after about 9 or 10 in the morning, we'll be dry area-wide through Saturday. Later Father's Day into the evening, rain chances will go up and staying likely Sunday night into Monday before it kind of tapers off later Monday evening. Sunday, basically into Monday morning, we do have an elevated risk for some flash flooding, a little bit better bet to our north and west, but that system and area moves east as we go Monday morning into Tuesday morning. So again, increasing opportunities of rain late weekend into the first part of next week, and pretty similar to what we've had, where some of the downpours we see could produce some isolated flooding, just something we'll watch. But rapidly improving tomorrow into Saturday. As we go later Saturday night into Sunday, rain chances go back up, and that will linger into Monday. Again, some of this could be on the heavier side. Drying out as we go Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, and it's a little less humid, especially when you see those morning lows dip back into the mid-60s, which is a little bit closer to average for this time of year. But tonight you can sleep well, no severe thunderstorms. You may hear a rumble, but nothing severe, Phil.
That's good to know. All right, Ken.